20 things that reduce sex stamina. Your body is your temple, and neglecting its needs can lead to severe consequences, including a reduction in your sexual stamina. Intimate moments are meant to be fulfilling, but certain habits, lifestyles, and health issues can affect your energy and endurance in the bedroom. If you've ever wondered what affects your stamina or how to improve it, this guide will reveal the key factors that may be holding you back. Why is stamina important in sex? Stamina plays a vital role in creating deeper intimacy and longer-lasting pleasure for both partners. It allows for better experimentation, enhanced connection, and more fulfilling experiences. Without sufficient stamina, couples may feel dissatisfied, potentially harming the relationship. By understanding what lowers stamina, you can work toward healthier habits for improved intimacy. 1. Poor lifestyle choices. Skipping healthy meals, sleep, and self-care can leave you drained. A weak body struggles to sustain energy for prolonged physical activities, including sex. Think of it as trying to drive a car with an empty tank. It just doesn't work. Prioritizing sleep, nutrition, and mindfulness can go a long way in boosting stamina. 2. Being overweight. Carrying extra pounds can exhaust your body, making even light physical activity feel overwhelming. Excess weight stresses your cardiovascular system, reducing endurance in bed. Shedding those extra pounds not only improves stamina, but also enhances overall health. 3. Lack of exercise. A sedentary lifestyle weakens your heart and muscles. Without regular movement, your stamina diminishes, leaving you fatigued during physical intimacy. Even moderate exercise can improve blood circulation and endurance, enhancing your performance. 4. Stress. Stress drains mental and physical energy. When your mind is preoccupied, it's hard to stay present and enjoy intimacy. Stress relief techniques like meditation or talking with a partner can help restore balance and improve stamina. 5. Alcohol consumption. Alcohol slows down your body's reflexes and dulls your sensations. While it might loosen inhibitions temporarily, excessive consumption reduces stamina and overall pleasure. Moderation is key to preserving your performance. 6. Skipping foreplay. Foreplay acts as a warm-up, preparing your body for intimacy. Skipping it can lead to faster fatigue and less satisfaction. Taking the time to engage in foreplay can heighten arousal and prolong the experience. 7. Low testosterone levels. Testosterone is a vital hormone for energy and libido. Low levels can result in reduced stamina and weaker performance. Addressing this through medical advice and lifestyle changes can help restore energy and desire. 8. Depression. Depression saps motivation and energy, making intimacy feel like a chore. Seeking help through therapy or medication can significantly improve your mental and physical health, boosting your stamina in the process. 9. Chronic illness. Conditions like diabetes, obesity, or heart disease can hinder stamina by impairing blood flow and causing fatigue. Proper medical management and lifestyle adjustments can alleviate these issues, improving intimacy. 10. Overexertion. Pushing your body too hard during daily activities leaves little energy for intimacy. Balance your workload and incorporate rest to maintain energy levels. 11. Smoking. Smoking damages your lungs and heart, reducing stamina and endurance. Quitting smoking can dramatically enhance your cardiovascular health, improving both your overall fitness and sexual performance. 12. Medication side effects. Some medications can cause fatigue or lower libido. If you notice side effects impacting your stamina, consult your doctor about alternatives or adjustments. 13. Drug use. Drug use disrupts your body's natural processes, diminishing energy and performance. Avoiding drugs ensures better overall health and more satisfying intimate experiences. 14. Age-related factors. As you age, your body undergoes changes that can affect stamina. While this is natural, maintaining a healthy lifestyle and adapting to your body's needs can help you enjoy intimacy at any age. 15. Severe medical conditions. Illnesses like heart disease or diabetes can impact your endurance by affecting blood flow and energy levels. Regular medical checkups and proper management can help minimize these effects. 16. Performance anxiety. Worrying about your performance creates unnecessary stress, making it harder to relax and enjoy the moment. Focus on connecting with your partner and practicing relaxation techniques to ease anxiety. 17. Excessive pornography or masturbation. Overindulgence in these activities can desensitize your body and create unrealistic expectations, impacting real-life intimacy. Moderation and balance are crucial to maintaining healthy stamina. 18. Hormonal imbalances. Hormones like testosterone play a significant role in stamina. Imbalances can lead to fatigue and low libido. Consult a doctor to address these issues and restore balance. 19. Health issues like poor circulation. Reduced blood flow can cause fatigue and hinder arousal. Maintaining a healthy diet and staying active improves circulation, boosting energy and performance. 20. Lack of communication with your partner. Emotional disconnect can impact physical intimacy. Open communication fosters trust, making intimate moments more enjoyable and less stressful, which indirectly boosts stamina. Final thoughts. Your sexual stamina isn't just about what happens in the bedroom. It reflects your overall health and lifestyle. By addressing these 20 factors, you can boost your energy, improve intimacy, and create deeper connections with your partner. Prioritize your well-being to unlock a more fulfilling and satisfying love life. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.